Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got another book review for you. So this book is the Irish Pagan Book of Rites. It is by McLoughlin and it is one of the Pagan Portals books. So what is in this book? So the blurb on the back, I shall read it to you. It contains all the essential rites in an easy to follow format, presented in both English and the Irish Gaelic languages for those wishing to make their offerings in the beautiful indigenous Irish tongue. Here you will find rites for regular use, blessings for water and home, celebrations for the main Irish festivals, as well as an in-depth explanation for the meaning, purpose and lore behind each devotion. So I read this very quickly. The book is laid out in such a way that each page is doubled up. So for example, here you can see that we have got the sprinkling of lustral water in the Rite of the Grove in English, and in the facing page we have it in the traditional Gaelic. This on the face of it is lovely. It does mean that for a book of 152 pages, obviously everything's doubled up, so it's a much quicker read than you might otherwise expect. There were some beautiful passages in the English translations, a couple that I've marked that I would be happy to use myself if I were working with Irish deities, particularly some of the house blessings here I really enjoyed. I liked them a lot. However, I do have a little negative, and I hate to be negative about books because I know how much love goes into writing them. I know how much of a struggle it is to bring a book from your mind into reality, but in the interest of fair reviewing, I found myself whilst reading this absolutely craving some sort of pronunciation guide for the Gaelic. I flicked back and forth through here thinking there must be an appendices or something in the back, so if I could at all reach out through the internet to the author and to Moonbooks, the publisher, I would say if you do a reprint of this, please include some sort of pronunciation guide, because it says here in the introduction and also in the blurb that they are written in beautiful indigenous Irish tongue. However, I don't know how to say these words and I don't want to butcher them by trying to pronounce these words when I've no idea how to do so. I know this isn't a how to speak Gaelic book, but I just feel like this book would have been enhanced 100-fold just by that small addition. So I do recommend it, particularly if you have an Irish background or an interest in looking into your Irish heritage and bringing more traditional Irish rites and practices into your own work. But with that little caveat that I do feel that there was a little something missing. So this one is currently listed, the book price is $10.99, UK $12.95 US, available from all good bookshops and Amazon. So that is the Irish Pagan Book of Rites. I definitely feel like the author knows their stuff. Maybe grab yourself some sort of pronunciation guide off the internet to read along with this one. But there you go. So that is this month's Moon Book review. I will have another new book for you next month. So if you are interested in finding out more about books, magic, crafting, all that good stuff, please do remember to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe, hit the bell icon, become a member of the Crafty Coven, pop on over to Facebook. You can find us there as the Crafty Coven, where we have a social group and share information about books, computer games, crafting, all sorts of good stuff. And of course, if you want to support the channel more directly, you can pop on over to Patreon and do that there. Massive, massive thank you to everybody that already supports me over on Patreon. It means the absolute world. Thank you once again, and until next time, stay crafty.